So my husband and daughter wanted to make root beer floats. Problem was we did not have ice cream. And so I decided that Bella and I would make some ice cream. Want to make some homemade ice cream?
Yeah.
All right. So what you're going to need is a can of sweetened condensed milk, some heavy whipping cream. You're going to want 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 can of condensed milk, about a tablespoon of vanilla, and that will be your vanilla ice cream. Ooh, you're going to want to put it in the freezer and freeze it for 6 hours. And then when it's done tonight, we're going to have root beer floats. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so you want to help me?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is get the heavy whipping cream. With a spoon, you can try some.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
So that's the consistency you're looking for. Now I'm going to add the 1 can of condensed milk.
Oh, no. Amazing, well, my dog is going nuts. Amazing ice cream, and the recipe calls for about 6 hours. We did this in 5 hours, so that's great. Is the first root beer float. You want to try a bite? You want to try some? You want to try some? Take a bite. That's good.
My favorite products that I've gotten gifted this year from Inlister. So I wanted to go ahead and just say like your first root beer float.
I love it.
Isn't it better because it's homemade? Yeah, and look at that mess you're making. You're so good. All right.